Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Roland JU-06A Sound Module and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this unit is not working or if it seems to be making weird sounds, it's not responding properly, stuff like that, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. And the second reason you want to do this is if you want to you have a bunch of presets and configurations and stuff like that you want to get off of here, you don't want to do it manually, you just want to get it back to the way it was when it came out of the box. We can go ahead and do that quite easily. We're going to start with the unit turned off. And with the unit turned off, we're going to come find these bank buttons, and we're going to find the bank button number 1, and we'll press and hold button number 1 while turning on the power. And if you did this right, then the arpeggio on-off light here will blink. And then from here you have an option to just cancel out. If you go ahead and turn it off, it will cancel out the reset. But if you want to go ahead and proceed with the reset, then you'll just come in and hit the button, the arpeggio on-off button. And so you don't want to mess with it while it's doing the reset because you could damage it, but while it's resetting, let it do its thing. And then when it's finished, all the buttons will blink on the unit. Once that happens, you can turn it off, turn it back on, and set it up as a new device.